ready pag i-run. And let's start in project 4.1, which is explore the file system in Windows. And let's open the files in ito siya. And left pane, click to expand PC if necessary, and double click in local disk and view folders on the hard drive. Ito siya. Yan. As you can see, puro mga file dyan. Mga folder. Ito siya. Ganyan siya. May mga laman dyan, karamihan dyan. Except na lang tong no name na yan. Walang pangalan yun eh. And right click, double click the view of folder in files. And then select na the new siguro, tapos itong folder, tapos pangalan na lang natin ng Fred. Joke lang, ano kaya unknown name pala, unknown name. Joke lang. Ito ganito, tapos enter yan muna. And select file name extension hidden items box. If not ready, check it using additional file extension. Ito okay na to. Tapos close the file explorer. Tapos if you stay logged in, and then stay logged in if you continuing of the next project. Thank you po.